I trusted them. I just, you know, they fooled me. And
Catherine Gay says she was tricked into a scam that has now cost her the only home she has ever known. It all started when a company offered her to take out a loan and then make repairs on her home. This is a partial list of things the company said they would do: fix the porches, new siding, new windows, and cut down trees.
But I was so happy that I was getting the house fixed up. I was so happy. I wanted the house to go back the way it was when I was young.
Happiness quickly turned to anger when Catherine realized the con men had taken the loan money but did only a few of the promised repairs.
In Mrs. Gay's situation, she received new windows. There was a whole list of items that was written on her contract that they were supposed to take care of. And in the end, they left her in worse shape than when they arrived.
Postal inspectors say Catherine was one of 42 elderly victims taken in by these men: David LaSala, Mitchell Jones, and Chuck Cruvata.
Once the mortgage loans were funded, money was supposed to go back to the victims. Often they would intercept the check, or they would offer to take the check to the victim by the title company. Then they would have the victim sign the check, and then they would deposit it into their own accounts.
Officials say by the time they caught the suspects, there was no money left to return to the victims.
They drove nice cars, they took nice vacations, they went gambling, and basically they spent the money as quick as they got it.
Inspectors say it is important to thoroughly research a company before ever giving it any money or control over your money. But don't just research the company.
You should also check their individual names.
Unfortunately, that advice came too late for Catherine, who could not afford the monthly loan payments and can't sell the house in its current condition.
She's going to have to move because her property is being sold.